Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both the magnifying glass and the subject so you get usable detail immediately. Position the lens 6 inches above the surface and angle it about 45 degrees to reduce glare. This gives a sharp focal plane. Once done, steady your hands with both palms and use bright, even light, natural daylight or a 3W LED to increase contrast. Make sure to wipe the lens gently between uses. Tiny smudges change focal distance and reduce visible detail, so clean first to avoid repeated refocus. You now refine what you see by adjusting focus and light together because magnification amplifies both detail and flaws. Move the magnifying glass slowly toward or away from the subject until the image snaps into focus. Tiny shifts make a big difference. Then make sure to tweak lighting. Change the angle or add a diffuser to reduce hotspots and reveal texture. If you need tiny features, increase magnification. If you want context, pull back. This paired control of focus and illumination is why observations become repeatable. You finish by documenting and troubleshooting so your results are useful later. Hold your phone camera close to the magnifying glass at a 16:9 framing and take multiple images while noting distance and light angle. This preserves repeatability. Once done, annotate what you saw and record any settings. If the view stays blurry, clean the lens again, inspect for scratches, and swap the light source. Sometimes changing to diffused light fixes contrast problems. Finally, store the lens in a soft case to prevent future damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.